International Sports Day in India is celebrated as the birth anniversary of hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand was born in Allahabad on 29 August 1905 in a Rajput family. This day marks the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand Singh, the hockey player who won gold medals in Olympics for India in the years 1928, 1932 and 1936. He scored 570 goals in 185 matches in his career from 1926 to 1949. He is well known as the wizard or the magician of hockey for his superb ball control. The Government of India awarded Major Dhyan Chand India's third highest civilian honour of Padma Bhushan in 1956. India's highest sporting honour, Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, is named after him only.